Upgrading your home with replacement windows is a smart investment, especially in a place like Mesa where heat, sunlight, and seasonal conditions can impact comfort and energy use. If you're planning a window upgrade, understanding what to expect during the installation process can help you feel more prepared and confident from start to finish. The process typically begins with an in-home consultation. During this stage, a professional will evaluate your current windows, take precise measurements, and discuss your goals. Whether you're focused on improving energy efficiency, enhancing curb appeal, or increasing indoor comfort, this is your opportunity to explore different window styles, materials, and features. In Mesa, many homeowners prioritize options that help reduce heat gain and maintain a cooler indoor environment. Once your selections are finalized, your windows are ordered to fit your home's exact specifications. Because replacement windows are custom-made, there may be a short waiting period before installation begins. During this time, your installer may provide guidance on how to prepare your home, such as clearing space around windows and removing any fragile items nearby. On installation day, the crew will arrive with your new windows and begin by protecting your home's interior. Floors, furniture, and surrounding areas are typically covered to prevent dust or debris from causing damage. This attention to detail helps ensure the process is as clean and organized as possible. The next step involves removing your old windows. This is done carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding structure. Once the old units are taken out, the openings are inspected for any issues such as moisture damage, worn framing, or gaps. If any problems are found, they are addressed before the new windows are installed. This step is essential for ensuring a strong, stable foundation. Installing the new windows requires precision. Each unit is carefully positioned, leveled, and secured to ensure a proper fit. In Mesa's climate, a tight seal is especially important to keep hot air out and cool air in. High-quality insulation and sealants are applied around the frame to prevent air leaks and improve overall energy efficiency. This step plays a major role in how well your new windows perform. After installation, finishing touches are added. This may include trim work, sealing edges, and ensuring the windows blend seamlessly with your home's interior and exterior. Installers will also test each window to make sure it opens, closes, and locks properly. Smooth operation is a key part of both functionality and long-term satisfaction. One of the first benefits you'll notice is improved indoor comfort. Replacement windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, which helps maintain a more consistent temperature inside your home. In Mesa, where temperatures can rise quickly, this means your living space stays cooler without overworking your air conditioning system. Energy efficiency is another major advantage. By reducing air leaks and blocking excess heat, your new windows help lower energy consumption. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your utility bills while also reducing the strain on your HVAC system. You may also notice a quieter indoor environment. Modern replacement windows often include multiple panes and improved sealing, which help block outside noise. This creates a more peaceful and relaxing space, even in busy neighborhoods. Aesthetic improvements are another benefit. New windows can instantly update the look of your home, both inside and out. With a wide range of styles and finishes available, you can choose options that complement your home's design while enhancing curb appeal. Before the project is complete, a final inspection is conducted. The installation team will review their work, clean up the area, and ensure everything meets quality standards. They may also provide maintenance tips to help you keep your windows in excellent condition. In the end, installing replacement windows in Mesa homes is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation to completion, each step is designed to deliver better comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. By knowing what to expect, you can move forward with confidence and enjoy the many benefits that new windows bring to your home.